Have you ever wondered what the largest living arthropod on Earth is? The answer is the Japanese spider crab, a colossal creature with a leg span that outmatches any other arthropod. This marine species boasts an array of unique characteristics, including an extraordinary lifespan and a body armor that is a marvel of natural engineering. Their biology, habitat, and ecological role are as intriguing as they are diverse. Stick around as we delve deeper into the world of this fascinating marine giant, the Japanese spider crab. Imagine a creature with a leg span longer than a human is tall. That's the Japanese spider crab for you. This colossal crustacean, hailing from the depths of the Pacific Ocean, is the largest crab species on Earth, possessing a leg span of up to 12 feet. But it's not just their size that makes them exceptional. Let's delve into the intricate biology of this underwater behemoth. The Japanese spider crab's anatomy is a wonder in itself. Their long, slender legs, reminiscent of a spider's, are what give them their name. These legs, while delicate-looking, are incredibly strong, enabling the crab to traverse the ocean floor with ease. At the end of each leg, sharp claws allow them to grasp and manipulate food and objects. The crab's body, or carapace, is a rounded, rough shell, providing protection against predators. This shell is often adorned with ocean debris and small organisms, serving as a form of camouflage against the sea floor. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of their anatomy is their eyes. Unlike many crustaceans, the Japanese spider crab has highly developed, complex eyes, capable of detecting movement and shapes, an invaluable tool in the murky depths of their ocean home. Now let's touch on their lifespan and reproduction. Japanese spider crabs are known to live for up to a century, a remarkable longevity in the animal kingdom. However, their reproduction rate is relatively low. Females lay thousands of eggs at a time, but only a fraction of these hatchlings survive to adulthood, making their population growth slow and vulnerable to threats. Japanese spider crabs are truly a marvel of nature. Their unique characteristics, from their spider-like legs to their domed shell, their long lifespan to their low reproduction rate, all contribute to making them one of the most fascinating creatures of the deep. With their long, spindly legs and domed shell, these crabs are a marvel of nature's design. These fascinating creatures reside in a place where few dare to tread. A world that is both alien and enchanting, the habitat of the Japanese spider crab is as intriguing as the creature itself. The deep-sea waters surrounding the Japanese archipelago are home to this remarkable species. This realm is a maze of underwater mountains and valleys, where light barely penetrates and the temperature is perpetually chilly. The Japanese spider crab thrives in these challenging conditions from a depth of 50 to 600 meters, where the water temperature hovers between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. This is a realm of low light and high pressure, a world that is as harsh as it is mysterious. Yet it is here that the Japanese spider crab has found its niche, a home in the abyss. These crabs are typically found along the Pacific side of the Japanese islands, from Tokyo Bay to Kagoshima Prefecture. They are also found around the island of Taiwan. However, their distribution is quite patchy, as they prefer specific areas with sandy or muddy bottoms where they can forage for food and hide from predators. Living in the deep sea brings its set of challenges. The extreme pressure, the scarcity of food, and the lack of light can make life difficult. But the Japanese spider crab is a master of adaptation. Its long, spindly legs allow it to traverse the uneven seafloor with ease. The crab's ability to camouflage itself with sponges and other sea life helps it blend in with its surroundings, becoming virtually invisible to predators. But even in this cold, dark world, the Japanese spider crab faces threats. Changes in water temperature due to climate change, ocean pollution, and destructive fishing practices are some of the challenges the crabs confront in their natural habitat. These external threats add to the natural difficulties of living in the deep sea, making the survival of the Japanese spider crab a testament to its resilience. In the cold, dark depths of the ocean, the Japanese spider crab has carved out a niche for itself. A creature of the deep, it continues to intrigue and fascinate us with its unique adaptations and remarkable survival skills. Every creature plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, and the Japanese spider crab is no exception. The ecological role of the Japanese spider crab is both fascinating and vital. These crabs are not just silent giants lurking in the depths of the ocean. They are nature's diligent sanitation workers, tirelessly cleaning up the seafloor. Japanese spider crabs are omnivorous scavengers, feeding on both plant matter and animal detritus. They comb the ocean floor, their long spindly legs allowing them to cover vast areas in search of food. Dead fish, mollusks, and other decaying matter are all on the menu for these crabs. In consuming these decomposed and decaying materials, they help to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. This is an essential part of maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem, preventing the buildup of organic waste, and promoting the growth of other marine life. But the role of the Japanese spider crab doesn't stop at being a scavenger. They also fall prey to larger marine animals, becoming part of the food chain themselves. Their predators include octopuses, large fish, and even other larger crabs. In this way, they contribute to the balance of predator and prey in the marine environment, ensuring the cycle of life continues. However, it's important to note that the Japanese spider crab is not just a passive part of the ecosystem. Its very existence shapes the world around it. Their foraging activities stir up the seabed, helping to aerate the sediment. This process is beneficial for many marine organisms that live in the sediment, providing them with much-needed oxygen. So while the Japanese spider crab might be an intimidating sight with its long spider-like legs and strong claws, it plays a significant role in maintaining the health and balance of its marine habitat. They are a testament to the interconnectedness of all life in an ecosystem, each species playing its part in a grand, complex, and beautiful ballet of nature. Despite their intimidating appearance, these crabs are the ocean's silent cleaners. Like many creatures of the deep, the Japanese spider crab faces threats that jeopardize its survival. The Japanese spider crab, with its long, flexible legs and imposing stature, may seem invincible. Yet these marine giants are not immune to the perils of human activity. Overfishing and habitat destruction are the two primary threats that cast a shadow over their continued existence. Overfishing is a significant issue. The Japanese spider crab is a prized catch in many parts of the world, particularly in its native Japan, where it is a delicacy. Over the years, relentless fishing has led to a decline in their population, pushing them towards the brink of endangerment. Habitat destruction further compounds this problem. The deep-sea environments that these crabs call home are under threat from pollution, deep-sea mining, and climate change. These factors disrupt the delicate balance of their ecosystems, making survival an increasingly uphill battle. But, as bleak as the situation may seem, efforts are being made to turn the tide. Conservation initiatives are in place to protect the Japanese spider crab. These efforts include establishing marine protected areas and imposing fishing regulations to control the harvest of these creatures. For instance, in Japan, fishing for these crabs is prohibited during their spring mating season, allowing them a brief but crucial respite to reproduce and replenish their numbers. However, more can and should be done. Continued research is essential to understand these crabs better, their life cycles, their needs, and how they are affected by the changing environment. This knowledge will enable us to devise more effective conservation strategies. Furthermore, public awareness and education are crucial. By understanding the importance of these creatures and the threats they face, we can foster a culture of respect and protection for our marine biodiversity. The survival of the Japanese spider crab hinges on our understanding and respect for these marine giants. It is our responsibility to ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to roam the ocean depths for generations to come. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of the Japanese spider crab. This journey has taken us from the surface of the ocean to the depths of the sea floor, where these fascinating creatures dwell. We've explored their biology, from their remarkable leg span that can reach up to 12 feet, to their unique anatomy, which has adapted over millions of years to endure the harsh conditions of their environment. We've journeyed into their habitat, the deep sea off the southern coasts of Japan, a realm of darkness and mystery where these creatures play a vital role. As opportunistic scavengers, they help maintain the health of the ocean by consuming dead and decaying matter. We've also addressed the ecological role of the Japanese spider crab, its place in the food chain, and its impact on the ecosystem. We've seen how its existence contributes to the biodiversity of our oceans, and ultimately, to the health of our planet. Finally, we've looked at the conservation efforts that aim to protect these creatures and their habitat from threats like overfishing and habitat destruction. The future of the Japanese spider crab, like many creatures of the deep, hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to ensure their survival. The next time you think of the ocean's wonders, remember the Japanese spider crab, a true testament to nature's marvels.